Children, let's learn the opposite words. Hot. H-O-T, hot. Opposite. Cold. C-O-L-D, cold. Day. D-A-Y, day. Opposite. Night. N-I-G-H-T, night. Big. B-I-G, big. Opposite. Small. S-M-A-L-L, small. Dry. D-R-Y, dry. Opposite. Wet. W-E-T, wet. Soft. S-O-F-T, soft. Opposite. Hard. H-A-R-D, hard. Long. L-O-N-G, long. Opposite. Short. S-H-O-R-T, short. In. I-N, in. Opposite. Out. O-U-T, out. Full. F-U-L-L, full. Opposite. Empty. E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Open. O-P-E-N, open. Opposite. Close. C-L-O-S-E, close. Fast. F-A-S-T, fast. Opposite. Slow. S-L-O-W, slow. Thank you for watching. For such learning videos, subscribe to our channel. Happy learning.